Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video of QualityTech. In this video we're going to take a look at the best phone under the price segment of 20,000 Indian rupees. So this is one of the best phones in the market right now. So if you wish to purchase it, you can purchase it from the link in the description box below to get the best offer and the best price for the device. So apart from that, this video is proudly sponsored by SHOT by AKM. SHOT by AKM is a videography and a photography startup. I'll leave the link to their Instagram in the description box below. Do check them out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get right into the quick review of the Xiaomi Mi A1. So the Mi A1 right off the back is a powerhouse. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage variant and is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, which is the best combo for your device's internals. Now talking about the design, it packs a full aluminium frame and back, and the screen resolution in front is of 1080 x 920 pixels with a screen ratio of 16:9. And yes, it doesn't really look like an iPhone 7 Plus. So talking about the interface, the device runs stock Android 7.1.2 Nougat, which is always something we wanted from Xiaomi, which they have delivered, which is awesome. And it also has a 2-year update guarantee assurance from Google due to the Android One program, which is present in the device. So talking about the camera is a 12 megapixel shooter with 2 lenses, and the first one being 26mm f2.2 aperture lens and the other one being 50mm f2.6 aperture lens. So the front camera is a 5 megapixel shooter. Both the front and the rear is capable of recording 1080p video, and the rear is also capable of recording 4K video as well. So talking about the camera, the portrait mode, everything is perfect, and just that there is lack of stabilization, which is a minor problem, but you wouldn't find that a big deal after you get used to it. So apart from that, now coming to performance, the phone comes with the tried and tested Snapdragon 625 processor and has excellent RAM management by Xiaomi. So extensive gaming is also possible without any lag. The battery is a 3080 mAh battery, which is kind of a drawback, but can easily last you a day. The only problem is it does not have fast charge, but that is not really a problem when you consider the charging time of 0 to 100 in just around 2 hours. So the design is very sleek and it's easy to hold, so making the phone look very rich and well designed. Apart from that, it gives a good headphone output and users can expect great performance from this device. So in the budget of around 15,000 rupees, I declare this as one of the best phones available in the market. And apart from this, there is also the Mi Note 5, which is the next game killer, which is coming soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.